Hello everyone. This video intended to take you through and show you the Cardinal Microsoft features in Microsoft Word. We have various Cardinal features as we are going to see them. First and foremost, let me start with, as you see where my cursor is, this one is called a quick access bar. This quick access bar, it only helps you, or as you hear the word quick access bar, it is customizable. You can customize and add on more tools, but as you can see by default, it comes with 3 tools: the save, the undo, and the redo. But you can add on more tools whereby it will help you to quickly or to see them quickly, not going far deeper. As you are looking for the tools, you can bring them here on quick access bar. When you come here to this button, you can, as you can see, when I've clicked there, there are more tools that you can add there. But by default, you can see save, it is ticked, undo and redo, but you can add on other tools like a table and others, like new and others. You can come here to show more. Below the ribbon, you can get more tools and add them on quick access bar. As you can see, I've added a table here. So whereby if I need a table, I want to go far deeper, but I just come there and I click on my table, then I go on. So when I'm done with this quick access bar, I'll come to this file. This code in all the Microsoft Office like 2007, 2007, it was called Office button here. But from 2010, that version of Microsoft Office, it was changed from being called Office button to a file, but it does the same thing. It has the same features. When I click there, it will show me, or it will pop up and show you more options or more tools to work on your document. Like the first, this is the information. That is the information. Then the second tool is called new, whereby if you need a new document from the current one, you click there. Open, it means you open the existing documents that you have worked on. Maybe you want to produce through or to look into it. Maybe you want to edit it, then you click there to open, then the computer, it will pop up another window that will come up with the existing documents on your PC. Save, that means you are saving the current information on the document. Save as means you are saving a new document on your PC. Print, you print out the document that you have worked upon. Share, that means you are sharing. Export, you are exporting it to a different location or to different PC. Saving, you are closing the document. From there, then I will show you this. This is called a ruler. This one, vertical and horizontal. They are both called rulers. What does it do, a ruler? It helps you to increase and decrease the margins, the paper margins or document margins. Because when I hold here, I can reduce and or increase the margin. Also here, I can increase and reduce the paper margin or page margin. So from there, I come down here. As you can see where my cursor is, this is called a status bar. This is called a status bar. Reason being, it keeps on updating you. For example, right now, as you can see, it is updates a user like that. He is on page 1 of 1, which means I have only one page. Then with words that I have written or I've typed, there are 250 words here. So that's a work of a status bar. Oh, that's a function of status bar. It does. Then when I come to this, my right hand, where you see my cursor is, this one is called, uh, this one is called, sorry, this one is called a view shortcut. Why is it called a view shortcut? The first tool, as you can see, it's called the read mode. Read mode, it simply means that you can just read only what you have typed in your document. Only read. You cannot change anything because this tool just helps you to a user to read through what he or she has typed. Okay. Then when you come back to this one, this is a print layout, meaning that the way it appears, as you can see softly, then when you print it out, that's how it will be appearing after printing it out. Then this one is web layout. When I click on web layout, which means this document, if at all I've been developing my website and I've been developing my pages of that website in Microsoft Office, meaning that my website, my web pages will appear like this. If my content the content I've created in Microsoft Office, I can view that content using this web layout to see how they're gonna appear on my website. So that's why it's called web layout. But the whole of it is it's called view shortcut. Then this one, as you can see, a negative or a minus and a plus, is called a zoom bar. So it can help a user to zoom in and out, as simple as that. Then this one is called a low scroll bar. It helps you to go through or to peruse through the document you have typed. Let's assume you have created like 7 pages, which means you can go through using this scroll bar to help you to go through what you have come up with. So then this left up corner here, this one is called a control button. The first control, as you can see, it has X, and the only thing it does, it closes the document you have opened. Then this one, it minimizes and maximizes the window of your document. Then this one, it is minimizing and restoring back the document on your screen. When I'm done with that, then we can come now concentrate on this area here. But before that, this area here, where you see my characters or my paragraphs, this is where this area is where you as a user start using and typing your information. Okay, and it's called document area. So it's where you put your information that you want to type. Now, when you are back here, this one, as you see as you see moving my mouth or my cursor from left to right, this one is called a ribbon bar. This ribbon bar, it has it contains all the tools that can help you to format your document. And this ribbon bar, it has various what we call tabs on top of it, as you can see from file, home, up to view. Those are called tabs or tab bar. Then here where you see document 1 word, this one is called a document tab or title tab, which means this is the title of my document. Document 1 is the name of the document that I'm working on with. So after seeing or showing you this is a ribbon, on top of it, I told you these are called tabs. But tabs, we have different tabs. We have from home, insert, design, layout, reference, mailing, review, view. So each tab has different tools in it. As you can see right now, I'm in home tab. When you see clearly, you can see different tools, but these different tools are categorized in groups, because as you can see from here up the left, this is called clipboard. Then the second group, it starts from here up to here. This is called a font group. Then the second is paragraph group. So they are categorized or grouped in different groups. Then from here up to here, it is called a style group. Then the last is editing. So this is what we find. Oh, this is what you can find in home as home tab only. Then when I click on insert, also get a different tools to use and format your document according to your desires. Then the next is design. Also you find different tools that can help you to design your document. If at all you are designing something, or even document, for example, to our right, we see there is watermark, page color, and page border, which means you can customize your work with a watermark. Like you customize your information, like you put a watermark in your document, then it's a color page or page color. Automatically you can change the color from white, as you can see, to any color of your choice. Then this tool helps you to insert a border in your document, like a border, as we'll be seeing. But right now today, I want to go far deeper. Just want to go through and see how you can go through your document at the first time. So this is a layout. Then another tab, it's called layout. Layout means how you wanna how, how, how do you want your document to be laid out? How you want your document to look like, to appear? That's laying out. For example, you can change the margins of your document. You can change your page or your paper from portrait to landscape using this orientation tool. It has a portrait and a landscape, which means you can make your document standing upright, your paper upright, or when it is laying on landscape or sleeping. The size of the page, paper, the columns, you can set columns. We have very many tools inside there, of which today we won't see them all, but I just want to take you through for the first time how the Microsoft Office appears and what is in there when you have opened it. Okay, so you have referencing. It's detailed in many things, but we shall see them one by one. But we can see different things like insert, end notes. Mostly these tools can be used in most cases. People who are writing books, like as you can see, the Bible has end notes, next footnotes, caption, citations, all biography. So all are done in Microsoft Office. Okay, then mailing, review, and view. We shall be seeing all are tools used to format a document. So when you back here in home tab, as I told you earlier, that we have different tools in each tab. So to show you a little, let's use home tab as an example to show you how these tools work. Okay, for example, if I want to change the font size or the font style, I can take it as different handwritings, if I may use the word. Like your handwriting might be different from mine, different from someone else. So also here we can change how these characters could look like, could appear differently. So currently right now, as you can see, these characters, these paragraphs, they are being written or being typed in a font called Cardinal body. As you can see here, this word here, it's called a Cardinal body. So which means all these characters are being depicted or appears in this font style. So if I want more font style, I'll come and I click here on this drop down button. Then it will pop up with a lot of different font sizes. So, sorry for my computer here, it was a bit freezing, but you can see these are bunch of fonts. Okay, so as you who is the user, you can choose any of your choice. Okay, I won't decide for you that use this or this, but to me, I know some standard. Okay, the common ones people normally use, like Calibri, Ario, Times New Roman, Bookman's OD, yeah, like that. So those are the tools. So if I say I want to choose Times New Roman, so my characters will change to Times New Roman. If I want to change, to add or to increase the size, this is where I come and increase my size to any size of your choice, depending on what you are working upon. Okay, and which size do you want? If it is a heading, then we choose a size which is bigger than the rest of the text. Okay, so if I want to bold, and remember, anything you do in terms of formatting, you have to highlight. If it is more than one word, you highlight, then you go to the tool you want to use. If I want to bold, then I highlight and I bold. Okay, if I want slant or italic, then I click on this eye, then I'll see my text is being slanted or being in italic mode. Okay, if I want to underline this paragraph, I'll come to this U, then I underline, right? So with a few of them, of those ones I've showed you, allow me to stop from there. We shall start from there next time, next episode, of how to show you, go through this Microsoft Office as a beginner, as you want to know Microsoft Office. You want to start typing your own documents, but you don't know where to start from. So people coming to this channel, we shall be uploading such documents, such content, such videos that teaches you this knowledge of using Microsoft Office. So subscribe and share my channel, and it reaches to the people who really want this information. Have a nice time. Bye bye.